Out here, Miss Cheryl. We were in a meeting earlier, and I said to your buyer, I was like, I'm just going to give us a little bit more room and move this forward because it's a little tight right here. I was going to say, I said to the buyers, I'm like, are they really as nice as they seem? I know they are, but are they the best people to work with? And they said yes.
I feel the same way about you.
Oh my
You
gosh,
don't know.
I love you so much. Unprecedented thing happened. This is a game changer because, first of all, it's clean beauty. Secondly, it's 10 free. We'll talk about what that's all about. But there are protein peptides in these products that you have literally not seen in any other brand. This is a hot pick. It's a star of the day. I noticed that we had like a lot already ordered, Cheryl, from earlier today. Over 1,200 have been ordered.
Wow.
It's sold out in May. We just got it back in stock. This day is the first time all year it's been presented, but we haven't had it on since May. And what you're getting are the best sellers, starting with what's called our high maintenance. That is going to fortify your nails. The makeover, which you guys know and love and is award-winning here, which is that instant ridge filler and more. And then last but not least, the Revital-Oil, which is going to be so good for your cuticles and beyond. If you bought them separately, you're talking about $48. You're not just saving $18, which is a big deal. You're saving your nails because, first of all, you made the pledge to be clean beauty, and which is unheard of in nails. And if we put the graphic back up, what does 10 free mean?
10 free is that this is a worry-free formula that omits the ingredients that are normally found in traditional nail care, and that makes traditional nail care toxic.
And like, we've done it all for so many years, and we've happily taken our little ones off to get their nails done.
Yes.
And now here we are, and I have to tell you a quick story. Cheryl and her company, which is family together, you guys are so great, and you're already shopping for this, won the Customer Choice Beauty Award in 2023. Wait for it. They had never been on the air. You had never had an on-air presentation.
Nuts.
Our beauty lovers, just like you at home, in this Game Changer and Newsmaker show, they found it, they bought it, and they voted for it, and it won Best Nail and had never been presented on the air. That has not happened before, and I don't think will ever happen again. And then they won again this year. But this is why. So talk us through these before and afters. And guys, we're busy. Get into your cart, click checkout. This is the one most important purchase you'll make today, truly.
Oh, Jane, that's such a compliment. Well, I mean, this is your nail transformation. If you have nails that are not the same, if you have nails that are weak, that are ridged, that are dry, that you just are not proud to show off, Makeover will literally transform your nails, and that's what you're seeing here. You're seeing with one coat, and we know with buildable color, you are going to take the nails from dull, from dry, to lackluster, to glowing, healthy, beautiful nails.
Wow. I mean, that looks like you got back from the salon, and it's basically just using that beautiful color that you can, use all its own. I mean, look at this.
This is the product that you made the best nail product 2 years in a row. We're so grateful that you discovered it on QVC, and we can't wait for you to use it in your nail routine because it really is a game changer.
So 1,400 ordered today, 200 just flew out the door in this show. I do have something to tell you. It's not an auto delivery, and when something sold out last May, and we just got it back in stock in February, you definitely don't want to miss it. I mean, and this is a 3-piece kit. Yes, individually, they're all awesome, but they all work together beautifully. So can you talk us through how we, would get best advantage out of this kit?
Yes, so you would start with Makeover. It's going to give your nails a camouflage, a iridescent sheer pink that's going to look natural and beautiful. That's your first step. Then you're going to move on to High Maintenance. High Maintenance is your instant thickening top coat. It's going to give you that high gloss shine and protect the life of your manicure. So you don't have to worry about chipping. You don't have to worry about dullness.
Real quick, could we use that maybe with another color that we're using? Like if we have a red we want to do for Valentine's Day or whatever.
To match the outfit, match the fit.
Thank you, Lawrence.
Absolutely. You can use it as a top coat in any manicure. It is going to be the best top coat you've ever used. And then lastly, you have Revital-Oil, which is
good.
Beyond anything that you can find in nail care at the moment. This is our answer to dry, painful, flaky cuticles. And it is a unique delivery system that you normally find in skincare, because what Dermelect does best is take a skincare approach to nails. We use ingredients and delivery systems that you would normally use for your face.
Right.
But we're taking those same ingredients and delivery systems and using them for your nails to get you long, strong, beautiful nails.
I mean, when do we ever say a protein peptide? And it's interesting, we were talking about Omi, which is one of our wonderful lines here at QVC that uses the sheep peptide for hair, and we talk about nails. You're looking at these like words that never appear in beauty for your nails. There it is. There's the makeover.
There's the makeover.
That's why it won the Customer Choice Beauty Award over and over and over. And you break the cycle. I mean, if you think about what you spend at the salon every 2 weeks and you've got to make the appointment, break that cycle.
Look at this
look at that live before and
transformation.
after.
I mean,
Took
it's
her 2 seconds.
literally salon quality nails. The nails look healthy. They look glowing. They look perfectly manicured. And this is a shade that will look good on any skin tone. If you're somebody who doesn't like to polish your nails, this is so easy, so simple, and all of a sudden, your hands look elegant, they look younger, they look healthier.
Do you like the nail thickener with over today? By the way, we've had just today 1,700 ordered, already 500 in this show. We're very busy, and we do ask you to get more, like bill to ship to your daughter or your son who's ever doing their nails where they live, where they work off at college. Like, take care of everybody, because when you think about the gunk that we put on our nails in the past, this is clean beauty. It's also 10 free, because those ingredients that are in nail care are scary. And it was for certainly Dermelect that came to QVC and changed our game. But here we see with the before and afters, this is immediately after. And what's happening to their nail, Cheryl, when they're doing this?
So what you see here is what's so amazing about makeover. You don't have to wait to get more beautiful nails. You will instantly get a more perfected, beautiful, natural, healthy looking nail while the formula goes to work with its strengthening and fortifying and nourishing ingredients to help you get stronger, more resilient, more beautiful nails over time.
And the results just get better and better and better. And you might say, but my nails split or they break or they're shorter than these models. It's okay. You could have like literally barely any nails at all, like just like not even any growth, and you would still see the benefit from this.
These are actually my before and afters, my personal before and afters.
Really?
And I have to tell you, personally, anecdotally, my nails have never been stronger. They've never been longer. You know, these are products that really work towards the goal of nail wellness. It's just what Dermelect strives to achieve.
And no one else is saying that. That's why we're in a game changer moment, truly. And I mean, it's almost like there's so many things we did in the past, and then we found out, oh, that really wasn't the best thing to do.
No, yeah, and
they're on the cutting edge.
We're a family company,
yes,
and we want products that you would feel comfortable giving to your daughter, to your grandmother, to your sister, to your friend. These are worry-free formulas. You see here, 100% of people agree that this product temporarily filled their ridges. How often do 100% of people agree on anything?
Nowhere. They don't.
Literally.
They really don't. And also, how often do we say that we had a set on air back in May and it sold out completely and we just got it back in stock? Now, Mary is using one of my favorite products on the planet, and that is your beautiful nail treatment. And that has a protein peptides in that as well.
Yes. So Revital-Oil, what's special about this is it's a dual phase formula, which you often only see in skincare, never before in nail care.
Mary, your nails look so pretty. You know, everybody's talking about those soap nails now that look so clean and shiny
minimal,
and beautiful.
elegant nails are in. But all you have to do with Revital-Oil, you have a protein peptide living on the top, in the top phase. And on the bottom, you have a nourishing cuticle oil complex of argan oil, of jojoba oil, of shea butter. And to combine the phases, all you have to do is shake the bottle. And you get this beautiful combination of nourishing, revitalizing ingredients delivered to the nails. You would take the dropper and you literally just apply it to...
So here we're on the video right now, Cheryl, with 2,000 ordered today. So you start with that beautiful ridge filler, which is that gorgeous makeover. And then you do your high maintenance. And then when that's all dry, you put the Revital-Oil. I mean, this time of year, I didn't even want to ask what's going on outside because I've been here since like 4 this afternoon. I'm sure it's not going to look too good when I walk outside. Thank goodness my husband said, I'll come pick you up because I'm sure there'll be snow all over your car. Thank you, honey. But this is that chance to say, it doesn't matter what the weather's throwing at me. I might not be able to take good care of my nails, and that normally meant spending a lot of money and having somebody else do it. What are they using? If it's not Dermelect, it's probably not clean. It's probably not 10 free, and this will free you up. And if you want to wear other colors, great, and there are more Dermelect products at QVC.com, but it's the first day this year we've gotten it back in stock. It sold out back in May. We finally got this 3-piece in, and they're currently the 2-year winner of the Customer Choice Beauty Award, but I always love to bring out the fact that they won before they even got on the air with the presentation, and I'm telling you, Cheryl, that is going to go down in history as a one and only time in the world of beauty. Love you, honey.
Thank
Happy
you
holidays.
so much, Jane.
Happy days. Happy New Year. Happy everything. So